Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin, and welcome to a stunning Suzuki 150 from 1966. It's an absolutely beautiful bike. It's a two-stroke twin. Actually plenty of power considering the bike of what it is. It has electric start, which is amazing. It's in beautiful condition overall, and having ridden it, it's just a joy to ride. It really is. It doesn't feel its age. It feels super reliable, feels super, you really don't feel like there's underpowered or anything like that. It's just an absolutely stunning bike. And with the 60s, this is by far, we've owned this bike now for over 2 years now, and reliability wise, in terms of what we've had to do to it, is very little. It starts on the button every time and is just an absolute joy to have, and I know someone else out there will really love it as well, given the looks and what it's going to give you. So starting at the front tire is really good. We have a little mark here at the front, as you can see, all the way through up over the cream and green color. There's the key, there's the original clock. 6,747 miles, I believe. There's a kilometers, yes, miles. So about 10,000 kilometers, just over. Mirrors. We have the tank here, the chrome tank with the side grips. Everything down here, all really nice. And the exhausts, a few little bits of aging down there, as you can imagine. Side panels are in really nice condition, and our metal seat has probably been recovered since, as you can see, and the padding redone, but it's actually done very nicely. It looks quite smart. 1966. Rear tires good, little bit of a mark there, as you can see. We've got new rear shocks on it, modern shocks, Suzuki, which are nice actually. We've got rear pillion pegs. We have the exhaust here as well. Engine, petcock for the fuel, and left hand side overall really nice condition. Tank is perfect apart from this little bit of flaking, as you can see here, but up and overall really lovely little bike. Very desirable little thing, and as you'll see now from the ride along, you'll see why. Alright, let's go for a spin and see what she's like. Okay, we're onto this marvelous Suzuki 152 stroke, and to do this is absolutely unbelievable. Now, the bike is absolutely stone cold, and look at that. Have you ever seen a bike start faster? I certainly haven't, and it's absolutely magnificent. Bike sounds absolutely beautiful, smells great as well, as you imagine from a two-stroke. If I am correct, it's all down, so bear with me if I maybe miss a gear. But it's such a joy to ride this bike. Yeah, all down. Nearly just let you hear it more than anything. Let her warm up slightly. Remember, 1966, and it's absolutely stone cold. The people around here really don't appreciate a louder bike, even though I'm only going 30 kilometers per hour there. Like, even getting the looks of like, who's this lunatic? Really beautiful as the bike warms up. With a two-stroke, you kind of get that power band where everything comes together. Absolutely stunning bike, and it's just madness to think that 1966 I can leave this bike beautiful, beautiful. Really stunning bike. Rear shocks actually feel really good. You can actually nearly feel the difference between obviously the older front suspension and the rear. It's very antiquated at the front and very planted at the rear. Well, that's just how it is. Really stunning. It's a real joy to be on a bike like this, on certainly like a day like this as well. You know, it's very few people in the world be able to experience a bike like this as it is in its glory, running and riding so well. The brakes feel okay. I mean, they're 1966 brakes. All down, sorry, all up. There we are, into neutral. And that's her idling now as well. Oh, I thought the bike was going to fall. That's it. I mean, stunning bike. Front headlamp there working as well, as you can see. No indicators from 1966. I don't believe it came with indicators. Maybe it did. This one certainly doesn't have them, but really stunning bike. Not much more you can really say about it apart from good words. Could really do with someone maybe who wants a little bit of a clean up, you know, in terms of detailing it, that kind of thing, but otherwise absolutely beautiful bike. Would be really great if you're into the classic kind of classic shows and that kind of thing. But very rare, not many of them would be there. Two-stroke obviously is a real joy, and from the time that we've had it anyway, it's been extremely reliable, and I don't know another bike from 1966 that starts on the button as well as that one does. But that's been it. If you have liked the video, please do like and subscribe. Like, comment and subscribe. And if you have liked the video, again, like, comment, subscribe. But also, if you do want to reach out to us, our official socials are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thank you.